What a beautiful day at Tower Chrysler. Nice day to show off this 2016 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Sport and a blue streak exterior. It comes with 20-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires. Under the hood is the 5.7 liter V8 HEMI, giving this Ram 1500 395 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, you have your power locks, power windows, and power folding mirrors. This 1500 Sport seats up to 5 people with premium leather seating. If you're on the driver's side, you get access to the power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control settings and your gearing. On the left side, you have your Bluetooth, voice recognition, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. And as we head into the odometer, it reads 61,344 kilometers. This Ram 1500 comes with the Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we hop into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. Go into controls, you get heated front seats as well as heated steering wheel. Down below is your climate control system with strong air conditioning, as well as your heated seats and heated steering wheel buttons. You can choose to do it by the buttons down here or on your Uconnect touchscreen. As we head into the back, we have 3 more seats with lots of legroom. Heading into the truck bed, this Ram comes with a 5'7" box. It also comes with an easy lift tailgate. So there you have it, the 2016 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Sport. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler, get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.